This is a great example about how the cheapest handyman is going to cost you the most money. Do not cut corners. When I first bought the property, just to be straight honest, I didn't have a lot of money. I knew we needed to redo the shower and then with that the floor. So I hired a handyman to do it and he was the cheapest bid I could find. So I hired him, he came in and it looked great. We're like, yay, the bathroom looks fantastic. The house starts renting. The whole reason I've had to rehab this whole house 6 years later is because of the bathroom. Unfortunately, we ended up with a leak in the shower, which is bad because it went into the floor. The way we knew we had a problem was that the tiles started cracking, and here around the toilet, we didn't know it, but it wasn't sealed correctly. So we had a leak going on. We now have a contractor that's very skilled. We're not trying to save every penny we can. We're gonna spend the money and do it right because this is the only bathroom in the house. So we're gonna put in a nice floor, a shower that will not be leaking, and this house and bathroom are gonna live on for many more years. It's gonna last much more than 6 years.